Good morning children, Shanti. Today we are going to solve next exercise problems, that is exercise 9.4. First one, multiply the binomials. 2x plus 5 and 4x minus 3 they give. Let us multiply the given binomials. 2x plus 5 into 4x minus 3. First 2x into the second binomial children completely. Means monomial into binomial multiplication would be easy. 2x into 4x minus 3 plus 5 into 4x minus 3. Okay. Then 2x into 4x minus 2x into 3. 5 into 4x plus into minus is minus, then 5 into 3. Okay. 2x into 4x gives 8x square. 2 4s are 8. X into x is x square. Minus 2 3s are 6. This x as it is. Plus 5 4s are 20. X. Okay. Minus 5 3s are 15. Here these two are like terms children. One negative and one positive integer we have. Let us subtract. This 8x square in 20 if you subtract 6, 14 we will get. It is positive which is bigger. So plus 14x we will get minus 15. Okay. Next one. Y minus 8 into 3y minus 4. Y into 3y minus 4 minus 8 into 3y minus 4. Okay. Then 3y into y is 3y square. Plus into minus is minus children. 4 into y is 4y. Minus 3 8s are 24. This y as it is. Minus into minus is plus. 8 4s are 32. Okay. Here these two are like terms children. Minus 4y minus 24y minus 28y we will get. Remaining two terms as it is. Then 3y square minus 28y plus 32 we got. Next one. 2.5L minus 0.5M into 2.5L plus 0.5M. This 2.5L into the second binomial and this minus 0.5M into the second binomial. Okay. 2.5L into 2.5L gives 6.25L square. 2.5L into 0.5M is equal to 1.25LM. Here minus into plus is minus. 0.5 into 2.5 is 1.25 children. Then M into L. L you can write or L you can write. Okay. Minus into plus is minus. 0.5 into 0.5 is 0.25. M into M square. Okay. Here plus 1.25 LM and minus 1.25 LM we can strike out. Okay. Then remaining term 6.25 L square minus 0.25 M square we got. Next one. A plus 3B into x plus 5. A into x plus 5 plus 3B into x plus 5. A into x, ax plus A into 5, 5a. Numeral first and then variable. 3b into x, 3bx plus 3 5 are 15. Only b is the children variable as it is. Here if any like terms we got, we can add. Here we not got any like terms children, so this is our final answer. Next question. 2pq plus 3q square into 3pq minus 2q square. 2pq into 3q minus 2q square plus 3q square into the second binomial. Okay. 2pq into 3pq gives 2 3s are 6. pq into pq is p square q square. Plus into minus is minus. 2 2s are 4. pq into q square pq cube. Plus 3 3s are 9. q square into pq means pq cube. Plus into minus is minus. 3 2s are 6. q square into q square is q to the power 4. Here these two are like terms. In 9 you subtract 4 children. 5 you will get because 9 is positive, so plus we will get here. 6p square q square plus 5p q cube minus 6q to the power 4. Next question children. 3 by 4 a square plus 3b square into 4 into a square minus 2 by 3b square they gave. 3 by 4 a square plus 3b square as it is. Let us multiply this complete bracket first. 4 into a square is 4a square minus 4 2s are 8 divided by 3b square we got. Now binomial it became. Let us multiply. 3 by 4 a square into the second binomial plus 3b square into the complete binomial. Okay. Then 3 by 4 a square into 4a square. 3 by 4 a square into 8 by 3 b square. Here plus into minus is minus. Okay. Plus 3b square into 4a square. Plus into minus is minus, children. 3b square into 8 by 3 b square. All separately I have written. Here 4 strike out. 3a square into a square. 3a to the power 4 we will get. Here 3 ones are 3 ones are. Here 4 ones are 4 twos are 8 if you strike out. 1 into 2 is 2. A square b square, denominator is 1. Okay. Then minus 2a square b square it will become. 3 4s are 12. B square into a square is a square b square. Okay. 12 a square b square. Here minus is there. So first we will write minus. B square into 8b square is 8b to the power 4. These two are like terms. We can subtract, children. This is 3a to the power 4 plus in 12 2 you subtract 10. We will get a square b square as it is minus 8b to the power 4. Okay. Next to me, find the product. 5 minus 2x into 3 plus x we get. Then 5 into 3 plus x minus 2x into 3 plus x we have to do. 5 3 is 15. 5 into x is 5x. Minus 2x into 3 is minus 6x because 2 3s are 6, this variable. Minus into plus is minus, 2x into x is 2x square. 15 minus x minus 2x square means these two are like terms. 15 in minus 6x, 5x if you subtract minus 1x we will get. We can write only minus x. This minus 2x square as it is. In decreasing order wise the exponents we have to write. So first I written minus 2x square, then minus x plus 15. Okay. Next one. X plus 7y into 7x minus y. X into 7x minus y plus 7y into 7x minus y. X into 7x is 7x square plus into minus is minus. X into y is xy plus 7 7s are 49. Y into x, yx you can write or xy. Okay. Plus into minus is minus. 7y into y is 7y square. These two are like terms. It is positive, it is negative. Then 49 minus 1 is 48. Okay. 7x square plus 48xy minus 7y square.